Hey, I'm Jen, and I wanted to share with you the Shark Steam Mop and Scrubber. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I have dogs inside, and they always come in with wet, dirty feet. So this works really great for the dog prints. It comes with four mop heads, and all you do is just line up the little grooves with the mop and snap it on, and they stay on really well. The company recommends using distilled water, so it also comes with this cute little cup that makes pouring easy. So I just pour in the distilled water and then shut the little door. I sometimes use Bona on the floor ahead of it when the steam starts, and then it has a little bit of cleaner on there. It seems to work really well getting the footprints off. This has a swivel head, which makes it really easy to turn, and it's kind of self-propelled. It does its own mopping. It just kind of curves and turns really easily. All you have to do is just basically hold it. You can see the steam coming out of it. It gets pretty hot, so it feels like it really does a good job cleaning. It also has LED headlights, which makes it really easy to see the dirt on the floor. And it comes with three cleaning modes. It has light for quick cleanup, normal for every day, and then deep for very stuck on messes. I've been extremely happy with my purchase. I hope this works for you.